Hi guys, so today's video I'm unboxing Kencko as well as reviewing everything inside this box. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. So when you finally arrive, you open up the box and you see your name on it. It has really that personalized feel somehow. And the juice granules packets is in this red box right here. And the one that I purchased is a 30-day this time only. I didn't want to commit yet. I just want to see how is it first. You can see a variant of different colors and labels of the ingredients there, and this pack is full. There's also some below here, and they also give you really cute stickers. That's also a Chinese word there, Kencko. You can use it to decorate your bottles or things like that. There's also postcards there, and here's how it looks in the overall. You also get a free bottles for your first purchase. So because Kencko is a fruit and vegetables granules, you really want to sort of smash them really good before you pour them. This is to prevent some lumps. So this is how you do it. You fill until that marks there. I'm using Meiji milk. You can use milk, oat milk, or even coconut milk, anything you like, and it tastes better in my preference if you choose milk variant rather than just water. So you just fill it until that line there, and after that you can go ahead to insert your granules here. And I'm trying amber. They basically clearly indicate the ingredients as well as the functions, so I think it's really good because before you drink anything you can see what is the functions. And one thing about this is you really want to shake it up really hard, because if not there is some lumps that you might taste as you drink it. So what I do is basically I use spoon and mix it up manually if there's still left some lumps. And you can see some of the lumps in this video right here, that one, yeah. So, but other than that, the consistency is really thick, just like how Smoothie is like. And I also tried it with soy milk in the aquamarines here. As you can see, it's thick consistency as well. And what I really like about Kencko is that it doesn't taste like powdered drink at all. It tastes like a really good blended smoothies with the consistency. So yeah, I'm still trying the rest of the flavors here, and I hope you guys like this video. And any questions, feel free to leave in the comments below. Thanks for watching.